Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today we have, I didn't put it up here, the Walmart Winter Beauty Box. This is the 2022 V23. Alright, so I think this is a special one. Normally their beauty boxes are $6.99. You get them quarterly, so you get 4 of them a year. They send you a few samples and things like that in here, beauty related. And it's just a fun and expensive box. I was able to upgrade this one. I believe it was 12 something. I will look that up and write it below to get a little bit of a more, I can't remember exactly what it said, if it's going to be full-size products or just more products. They also have some other specialty edits they are doing right now, like a men's, a few bigger ones, but we're just going to open this up and see what's in here. I don't have any affiliate links or, referral links or anything like that, but I'll put you a link below that will take you there just if you want to get this box. So here's what it looks like on the inside. Get my piece of paper out and then I can show you a little more. See what the paper says. Winter Wonders, hashtag Walmart Beauty Box. Time for a little TLC. Winter Radiance has arrived. Kick off the season of self-care with skin saviors, pampering picks, and hydrating hair heroes, all under $20 each. We've rounded up our favorites to keep you feeling glowy all season long. Shop these must-haves and find ingredients information at walmart.com/beautybox. Each box contains at least 6 great finds. Assortments will vary based on your beauty profile. So I wonder if this is all the stuff that's in there. And on the back is a Cetaphil. I guess it's an ad. Clinically proven to protect and smooth and dry. Blah, blah, blah. Anyway, let's move on. Alright, the first thing I see in here is some CoverGirl Simply Ageless Last Plumping Mascara. It's a 3-in-1, a primer, serum, and a mascara. I don't know that I've tried this one. Oh, that's exciting. And it is in black. Look at the wand. I'm not going to open it right now because I got a ton of mascara open, but I am excited about that. We'll see if it really does everything it says it does. This is a full-size product and it is $9.97 is how much it's worth. Instantly plumps and volumizes. Thicker, longer, stronger lashes in 4 weeks. Hyaluronic acid. Alright, next. What is it, Callie? So this is Completely Bare Hair Removal Experts. Simply Smooth Fresh Scent, moisturizing and no bumps shave gel with aloe vera and jojoba oil. It is hypoallergenic, so it is a shaving gel. The full size for this is $12.79. And the full size is 6 ounces. This is 2 ounces. So this is not a full size, but it's still a good amount of gel in there. Here's the scoop. Have amazingly smooth moves with your gentle no bump shaving gel. Completely smooth not only gives you an incredibly close shave, but also helps keep ingrown hairs and bumps at bay. It's sealed. I'm going to leave it that way for right now, just because I got to get a move on. Alright, so I got some liquid IV in here. Actually, there's 2 in here this time. This is Hydration Multiplier. This is Immune Support and Tangerine. I haven't tried the tangerine one. I do drink these a lot. I normally drink the strawberry, I think. But this one's supposed to be immune support. I don't think mine's immune support. It's just a better way to hydrate you than like Gatorade and things like that. A full-size product of this would include 6, and it's $9.98. I do like these. I'm curious to try the tangerine. All right, here's the Cetaphil I was seeing. And this is a healing ointment, skin protection, dry, chapped, or irritated skin. Protects and relieves. So it's a healing ointment. A full size of this would be $9.97. Actually, this is the full size because it says 3 ounces and this is 3 ounces. So this is a full size product. And that's cool. Suitable for babies. Fragrance free. Yay. So here we have Callie playing again. Thayer's Natural Remedies. This is a facial toner. It's got witch hazel in it. And aloe vera formula. It is cucumber. I wonder if it's sealed. I'm not going to open it, but yeah, it's sealed. Okay. Cucumber witch hazel toner. Full size of this is $7.97, and it would be 8.5 ounces. This is 3 ounces, so it's still a good size sample. Interesting. See, I'm happy with this box so far. Is this the last thing? Callie's like, ooh, I can get on the table. She's playful today. This is Heritage Call It a Night satin pillowcase. It's a full size. It's a 1 count. It's $9.94. So let me see. Let me open it. I love these satin pillowcases. Oh yes, it's nice. Our Call It a Night satin pillowcase reduces friction for less tangles and frizz in your hair. Its smooth surface is also great for skin. Package contains 1 pillowcase. It is polyester. I'm curious. I imagine it is. A lot of these, they don't have the fold over. I like the fold over ones, but I have to take it all the way out. And since I don't know if I'm going to gift it or keep it or not, I'm not going to take it out right now. She's just rolling around on the floor over there. Oh my goodness, so cute. So what did y'all think of this box? I got the pillowcase, the shaving gel, the healing ointment, a facial toner, a mascara from CoverGirl, and I got 2 liquid IVs. I think that's pretty good for what I paid. I'd love to hear y'all's opinion. Let me know. Comment below while you're down there. I'd really appreciate it if you'd press all those lovely YouTube buttons. Please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I'd really appreciate it if you would. It means the world to me, and it's free to you. So thank you so very much if you subscribe. I'd also love it if you'd share with your friends, press that notification bell. And if you want to donate to your curator, there are 2 ways to do that. You can use the super thanks, which is like giving a tip to YouTube, or you can buy me a coffee. Go to buymeacoffee.com, and I'm under Unbox by G. And then you can buy as many coffees as you want and donate to the cause of revamping the studio, getting new equipment, all that good stuff. Thank you so very much if you do that, y'all. I really appreciate you spent part of your day with me. Thank you so very much, y'all. God bless.